because this is literally the stuff that like I feel like we're in the future right now. It's the information that you wish you could have. Alright guys, I was on the phone with Joshua Latimer a couple months ago. He's the guy, if you don't know who he is, you gotta know. He's the dude who went from flat broke to 150 grand a month in his window cleaning business. Latimer speaking right now. Keynote. Check it
out. We're here to learn how to win. This convention is about one single thing, really, to me, and it's winning. I feel like I've made the same trade so many times, and we all do. Where we trade something permanent for something temporary, something eternal for something temporal. I don't know about you, I mean, maybe I'm weird, but I want a business that leaves a legacy for real.
You've seen him, I've interviewed him, and I'm on the phone with him, and he's putting together this thing called a sales and marketing SuperCourse, where he literally is meeting with the top industry leaders in the world, in our industry and other industries, about the deep high-level nuts and bolts stuff that they do in their multi-six-figure and million-dollar businesses, of how they grow their businesses, how they automate it, how they hire employees, exactly how they do sales and marketing, how do they do their numbers, and what is their entire mindset on small business. And he's putting together a webinar. You gotta check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm excited because this is literally the stuff that like I feel like we're in the future right now. It's the information that you wish you could have. This is something that you don't want to miss. It's the information that I wish that I had. So I'm gonna be all over this and paying attention to it, because aside from implementing it and doing the work, the information is finally here, and it's finally at our fingertips to know all the stuff that we want to know. What if you could sit down and have lunch with a $1 million business owner, and they just literally tell you everything they know step by step, like no fluff, the nuts and bolts. So I'll put a link in the description below. Latimer's putting out a webinar about this. You're not going to want to miss this no matter what. And check it out. Sign up for the webinar. It's very soon coming up here, so you don't want to miss it. So click the link below, and this is gonna be awesome, dude.